All right, another review slash informational video together to kind of help people. It's not going to be a real exciting video, but it'll have some information in it from someone who's used these products for literally years. And a lot of times companies will do these marketing things to us, and we have no idea what's going on. So I'm going to tell you what's going on. All right, this is the original standard 24 volt max lithium ion 4 amp hour extended run battery. It's about $100 at Lowe's, somewhere around there. I get these on sale for probably 69 bucks or something like that once in a while. In there, around there somewhere. I can't remember exactly, but they're not super expensive, but they're good batteries. I've literally had these batteries for years, and 5-6 years, some of them, and have not had any problems with them. Haven't had one of them die on me or anything like that. Charged them hundreds of times. They're great. So I've got no problem with them. Now this is the new Kobalt. They call this the ultimate output. They came out with these when they came out with the XTR version of their tools. This is supposed to be the upgraded version of this same battery. This is a 4 amp hour 24 volt max, 4 amp hour 24 volt max. I mean, they're practically the same thing. This one's a little bit thicker. The old one's a little bit thicker, not much, but a little bit. They weigh about the same. This one might be a little bit heavier, but they're about the same. They're both good batteries. I think this one's like 10 bucks more than this one or something now. This is supposed to be put out more power somehow, but it's going to put out 24 volts, so I don't understand that part of it. But in practical usage, everyday usage, they're identical. I can't tell the difference. I grab this one and charge it and slam it in my new tools, and it works just like this one. So if you're in the store and you see these two and this one is on sale and you can save 20, 30, 40 bucks by getting this one, do not be afraid to get this battery. All right, this is a great battery. So is this one. In practical use, there's really no difference. They're both great batteries. I've dropped them off of ladders, submerged them in water. I've done everything you could think of to a battery, and these things last. And they charge up fine over years, and work hard, and they'll both get it done for you. I just want people to know that this one, it's more expensive. If you can catch this one on sale, and where it's less expensive than this one sometimes, the regular one, then yeah, go ahead, get it. But if you're looking at these two in the store and you're wondering which one to get, just get whichever one's cheaper, because they're both practically identical. And that was my whole point. I didn't want to see people wasting money on this one when this one is just as good. You know what I'm saying? So I hope that helps out, and y'all have a great day.